Well, it's been a few weeks. Time to try out something new. And let's see what's inside. It's another Fitbit fitness tracker. The Fitbit Inspire HR. And yeah, let's see, what does all this do? It's swim proof, 24/7 heart rate, sleep tracking, smartphone notifications, battery up to 5 days. That's not too bad. And this is the lilac in multiple languages. So yeah, so that looks pretty good. 15 exercise modes. And the list just keeps on going. Well, let's open it and see what's inside. Fitbit usually has pretty good packaging. Just put that in the box. Oh, and there it is. That is nice. That is very lilac. And it has a button. I previously tried the Alta HR. I liked it, but having no button was a bit much. Oh, nice little smiley face. And we're gonna have to synchronize it with the phone. And let's see what the charger's like. Comes with an extra band extension. Oh, nice. Like the packaging here. They change the charger each and every time. Oh, it's a little magnet suction cup. Well, that's nice. And of course different from every other tracker, so they can upsell you. Man, that is a really short cable. Come on, Fitbit. So that's kind of nice, just kind of suction on there. Better than the clamp or the clamshell. Yeah, Fitbit Blaze, I hated that charging tracker. You had to take it off. Well, if you compare this to like the Garmin Vivo Active 3, thickness. About the same. We'll have to get out the pennies and see how they measure up to each other. Well, so there you have it. Nice little unboxing of the Fitbit Inspire HR. These retail for about $100 or so, but you can get discounts through Rally Fitness. I'll be posting a video on that shortly, and I'll put a link in the description of this one. So we'll charge this, start wearing it, and I'll give you a full review in about 24 hours. It's kind of a weird bezel. It's not flat, it's kind of oblong. Interesting. Well, there you have it. The Fitbit Inspire by Fitbit.